students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NIT-JEE graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So today's question is, 4 charges are placed at the corner of a square P, Q, R and S as shown in a figure. The direction of the resultant electric field at the intersection of the diagonals are. So this is the intersection of the diagonal. So at this point we are supposed to find electric field. What is the direction of the electric field? So due to this P charge, electric field, see this is a positive charge, so field line will be away from the positive charge, right? It will come out of the positive charge, right? So electric field line due to this will be towards directly outward, correct? Electric field due to, this is electric field due to P. Electric field due to Q will be again directly outward, correct? Like this. So this is electric field due to Q. Electric field due to S will be again directly outward like this. This is electric field due to S, and electric field due to R. This is the negative charge. So the electric field line will go towards the negative charge. So again we will get another. This is electric field due to R. So electric field due to Q and electric field due to S will cancel out. Why? Because both charges are equal at an equal distance, right? So this will cancel out this, and this is also equal but in the same direction. So they will add. So net electric field will be towards R. So correct option will be option C. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.